Can I replace my furnace igniter? Yes, if you are careful and follow safety steps, many homeowners can replace a furnace igniter themselves. A furnace igniter is the part that makes the gas in your furnace light, so when it fails, your heat will not turn on even though the rest of the system may still run. There are two common kinds, and one is a glowing hot surface type, while the other uses a spark, and both can stop working from age, cracks, or dirt. Before touching anything, turn off the power to the furnace and shut off the gas if your model tells you to, because even a small mistake can be dangerous. Take out the old igniter gently, because the part is often made from a brittle ceramic material that can break very easily in your hands. A lot of people do not know that fingerprints, oil, or even a tiny bump can ruin a new hot surface igniter before it ever works, so handle it by the base only. Match the exact replacement part number to your furnace model, because it does count when it comes to igniters. If you are unsure about the part, take photo of the old one, write down the model number, and compare it before you buy anything. After installing it, restore power, test the furnace, and watch closely for normal ignition so you can stop right away if something seems wrong. A few common mistakes can cause trouble, and one is buying the wrong igniter just because it looks similar. The fix is to use the furnace model number and the part number, not just the shape. Another mistake is touching the heating part of a hot surface igniter with bare fingers, which can shorten its life or make it fail early. The tip is to hold it by the ceramic base and keep it clean and dry. People also forget that a bad igniter is sometimes only part of the problem, because a dirty sensor, weak gas valve, or airflow issue can keep the furnace from lighting too, so if the new part does not solve it, look at the full ignition process. One more thing to watch is repeated failed starts, because that can flood the furnace with gas and create a serious safety problem, so stop testing if you smell gas or hear repeated clicking without ignition. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.